Hey guys, it's Conic Outdoor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to disassemble your Glock 19 Gen 4. So, first thing you're going to do is remove the magazine by pressing this magazine release here. Take out that magazine. Next, what you're going to want to do is check and make sure that your gun is safe. So pull your slide, check inside of there, make sure there's no ammunition. So once you know your gun is safe, you can go ahead and slide your slide back just a little bit. I grip it with my other hand there, then I pull the takedown pins here, slide them down. Then what you're going to do is let your slide release forward, pull your trigger, and as you notice, you've seen the slides start to slide forward. Then you can just take it and remove your slide from your grip there. Then next, once you got the slide removed, what you're going to do is take down your spring here, remove that, and as you can see, the barrel is starting to fall out. So then you can flip it over, push your barrel forward here, and then pull it out. Then there you have your Glock 19 field stripped. And what you can do is clean and lubricate at this stage. I'm not going to be doing that today, but what you would do if you wanted to clean and lubricate is grab some gun solvent and some oil, and you'll just drop a couple dabs of oil right back here into the slide notches here. You'd also put a little bit of oil, just one drop on your spring here, and then a drop on your barrel, fully cover it inside and out. And then you would also drop a couple of drops right up in here into the slide rails on the inside here and here, and then right on the top of where the barrel goes there. Since it does a lot of movement, you want some oil up in there as well. So next we're going to put it back together. So you're going to get your barrel, slide it in, drop it in. It should fall in perfectly right into place. Then next what you're going to do is get your spring here. It's going to have a fat end. You'll stick that fat end right into this little groove here, and then you're going to pinch that spring until it catches right on the barrel like that. You'll know because it stops. Then you can kind of wiggle it around, nothing's falling out. Then what you're going to do is take your tracks. As you can see here on your slide, there's some tracks in there, and then on your grip here you can see that there's some slides there. So what you're going to do is just take your slide there, put it onto that track, just like that. Once you get it on, you'll hear a click, and then you can cock it. Take one field test, click, check it again, and we're good. So that is how you field strip a Glock 19 Gen 4. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.